We're back in the trenches of the Somme Museum just outside Bangor.
Jane, one of the things we wouldn't be doing is dandering around here at our leisure. We'd be jooking and hiding because the bullets would have been everywhere.
Jooking is Ulster-Scots for crouching down, or is it more skulking, or what do you mean by jooking?
Skulking, yes, that's a good word, but it means getting out of the road, hiding. If somebody said they were coming up on you and you said, "I juked out of the road," it meant you hid.
We've just arrived here at the casualty station, Liam, and there's a poor crater in there and he looks fairly far through. What would the conditions have been like somewhere like this?
Well, the whole area would have been permeated with a steuch of death and disease. Steuch is smell or stench. You wouldn't have said it was a good place to be.
Everything here, Liam, is just so cramped.
You would have spent a lot of time on your hunkers, Jane. Hunkers is the Ulster-Scots word for haunches. And one of the things at the Somme Museum here is you get some insight into just how terrible it was to fight in the trenches in the First World War.
This has been such a memorable experience, and the Somme Museum is definitely a must-see location.